You searched how to buy shares of Skeena Resources Ltd, and this short guide will show the practical steps. Skeena Resources Ltd is a mineral exploration company listed on NASDAQ as SKE, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy SKE, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify the account, typically with an ID, and you will need to add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SKE to find the listing. Make sure you select the result that shows Skeena Resources Ltd to locate the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the name, exchange NASDAQ, and ticker SKE so you are viewing the right listing. Click Buy or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, check the order type and fees, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when trading resumes. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A soft call to action. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to open an account and follow this walkthrough.